Hello everyone, David here with another unboxing from Amazon. Let's see what we got today. So let's get rid of that box. Alright, it's a tripod. Let's see what we got here. Albott can be split into single leg frame, monopod. So mid-size tripod. It is aluminum, weighs 3.63 pounds. The total height should be 176 centimeters. So it can hold up to 8.8 pounds. So let's open this, see what it looks like. Pretty neat. Box is almost destroyed, but we don't care about the box, just the box is going to be thrown away. This is what we care for. The tripod. It's a nice little bag, nylon. Smells pretty. And here is the tripod. I'm going to put this aside. And of course, let's see what we got here. Oh, it's not. Oh, it's got a little screw right there. This type of legs. They're really long legs, and they stay in place. But let's see how this works. This head. Supposed to be a video head. I mean, it's not a smooth head, and even if you loosen it up, you have to loosen everything up, maybe like that, and it's just got too many knobs. But at this price range, it will do a job, which is hold that camera a lot taller than what it is. So I got a very short tripod, that's why I'm sitting down. So this will help me be able to stand up. The quick release plate. The screw is metal, but the turning part on the inside is made out of plastic. I've seen better mounts. And this right here is to turn it from portrait orientation to landscape. And let me loosen this up. And this is the monopod part of it. And there you go. It's about 4 feet. And this also comes off, which is good. Or you could twist these. Tight or loose. So don't know how good this is gonna be. Wow, there, I missed one. Yeah, about 5 feet. And it will get you out of a jam. It also has a bubble, a level. This is really heavy, which is what I want, because I have a lot of weight on that camera. So the tripod in itself is built okay. It's not a professional tripod, but it will do some work. It will do the job, holding your camera stationary. I wouldn't pan, tilt with it, or do any type of movement, because it's not smooth at all. I mean, it's not a fluid head, so. But when you get it like locked into position, it stays there. And just tighten this up, One flaw on a lot of the tripods is this piece right here, and this one seems to be fairly steady. My previous tripods, every time you mount it, even though everything else is sturdy, but this plate, the mounting plate, is always loose, and there's nowhere to tighten that one. And this one seems okay, so